Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Messenger and signing in. This gives you access to your personal settings. Once in, tap your profile icon to open the settings menu. That's where feature controls live. Scroll the settings list until you see accessibility, then tap it to open. This first step reveals all accessibility options in one place so you can quickly adjust what matters, instead of hunting through conversations or device menus. Once you're in accessibility, start with toggles that change interaction. Turn on screen reader compatibility so spoken feedback works in chats, and enable captions for voice or video messages so text appears. Then adjust text size and contrast to improve legibility, and enable keyboard navigation or larger chat bubbles if you use external keys or need bigger touch targets. Make changes one at a time and test by opening a recent conversation to confirm the effect. After you finish adjusting settings, confirm or save any options and restart Messenger so changes apply cleanly. Some toggles need an app restart. Test by sending a voice note, playing a video, and reading long messages to verify captions, contrast, and screen reader behavior. If something does not work, update Messenger and your phone OS first. If issues persist, toggle the specific accessibility option off and on. Then restart again. That usually clears configuration glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.